In this tutorial, we will understand what is number line. So number line is can be seen as a line segment which is horizontal. So it's a horizontal line segment which has lots of numbers in it. So if this is a line and 0 is in the center, then in the right side we will have positive numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and in the left side we will have negative numbers: -1, -2, -3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So left hand side is known as negative side of a number line. So left of the 0 is the negative, and the right hand side is known as positive side. So right of the 0. So if this is the number line we have and we want to pinpoint a certain numbers, so let's say if someone gives us 3, so by default if someone doesn't mention what kind of signature, what kind of sign it has, then we will assume that it is a positive number. So if someone is saying 3, then assume it as positive 3. So now positive 3 is 3 steps after 0. 1, 2, 3. So this is the number 3. If someone says positive 5, then positive 5 is just 5 steps after 0. -3, on the left side we will have -3, -5 on the left side of 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth step. -9. 4 more steps. 1, 0. 0 is over here. So this is how we locate numbers on number line. So first of all, you have to draw a number line, which is a horizontal line which will have lots of numbers. So you can have 0 as the central point, and you can have positive numbers on the right side and negative numbers on the left side. Now let's perform addition in this particular number line. So we can add 2 plus 2. So let's see how it looks like. So initially we are having 2, so we will hop 2 steps. So we are over here. Now we are asked to add 2 in it, so we have to move in the right side again 2 steps. So the result is 4. Now let's add 2 plus 3. So starting from 0, first of all we will go to 2. So we are here at 2. Now we have to add 3. So 1, 2, and 3. So the result is 5. So you have to start your movement from 0. So from 0 to 1, and then 1 to 2. So this is the point of 0 to 2. And if you want to add 3 in it, so you have to move 3 steps: 1, 2, and 3. So now let's add 5 plus 2. So how will it look like? One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we are fifth spot. Now we have to add 2 in it. So 1 and 2. So we are at now 7. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Now we want to add further 2 in it. So just hop 2 steps, 1 and 2. So we are at 9. Now let's learn subtraction. So we are already at 9. Now we want to subtract, let's say 1. 9 minus 1. So whenever you are adding any number, then you have to move in the right side, and when you are subtracting any number, then you have to move towards left side. So we are already at 9. By default we start from 0, but since we are already given this number 9, so we have to move in the left side because we are subtracting. So 9 minus 1, so you have to move one step backwards or towards the left side. So 9 and 8. So 9 minus 1 equals to 8. Now we are at 8th position. Now we want to subtract, let's say 3 from it. So you have to move in the left direction from 8. So 1, 2 and 3. So 3 steps. So 9 minus 3, 8 minus 3 is 5. So if we are having 5 and we want to subtract 5 from it, then what will be the result? You have to move 5 steps towards the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we are at 0. So now if you want to subtract 1 from 0, how to do that? So 0 minus 1 equals to minus 1. So move one step in the left side and we are at minus 1. So minus 1 minus 3, what will be the result? So starting from minus 1, you have to move in the left direction 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So minus 4. So when two numbers are are either negative or positive, then addition will take place, but the signature or the symbol, but the sign will be of the larger number. So it's minus. But in this case, we are having both numbers negative. So in that case, it will be minus. But as a general rule, whenever you are having two numbers and you are subtracting them or doing any operations, the sign of the larger number will be there in the final number. So minus 4 is something which we have. Now if you want to subtract minus 6 from it, then you have to move 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we are at minus 10. So this is the best way to learn addition and subtraction. So you can keep on practicing it till the time you master it. Now let's learn how to multiply numbers on number line. So let's have 2 into 3. So starting from 0, we can assume this as 2 plus 2 plus 2, or you can directly hop. So 2, you have to take 3 hops of 2 steps, then again and then again. So the result would be 6. Now if you want 2 into minus 2, so how to do that? So starting from 0, since we are having 2 and minus 2, so the result is minus 4. This is something which we know. So how to draw that on number line, or how to show that on number line? So since we are having minus 2, consider that and take 2 steps, 2 times the steps of minus 2. So 1 and 2. So each step is of minus 2, and that 2 times, 1 and 2 times. Let's see it again. Suppose we are having 3 into minus 3. So how to draw that? So since we are having minus 3 over here, so each step has to be of minus 3, and total number of steps will be taken 3. So 3 times 1 hop, second hop will be at minus 6, and third hop will be at minus 9. So hop number 1, hop number 2, hop number 3, each are hop of minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Or we can also see it like minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. So minus 3 minus 3 is minus 6, minus 6 minus minus 3 is minus 9. So this is how we multiply on number line. So summing everything, a number line is a great way to represent numbers and to see how negative numbers and positive numbers and zero can be seen in one single image. So when we are talking about number line, we have to understand that we have positive numbers on the right side and negative numbers on the left side of 0. So 0 can be assumed as the central point, and all the numbers will be in either direction. So when you have to add any two number, then you have to just um, keep on hopping it. So let's say we had 2, and then again we had 2, so we hopped 4 steps, or 2 minus 2. So starting from 2 we can go towards left direction. So whenever you have to perform addition, then you have to go towards right direction, and when you have to perform negative or subtraction, then you have to move towards left. And when we are having multiply operation, then you have to take hops. So let's say if we are having 2, so 2 hops, so 3 hops of 2 steps. So 1, 2 and 3. And talking about the multiplication, you have to take hops of either of the units and number of times. So if you are seeing 2, then you have to take 3 hops of 2 steps each. So from 0 to 2 is 1 hop, 2 to 4 is second hop, and 4 to 6 is third hop. So 3 hops of 2 units each. So this is how operations are done on number line. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button for receiving more updates from Being Skilled.